In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new blog in HubSpot. Whether you're a seasoned pro looking to launch a new project or a beginner eager to share your ideas with the world, these steps will guide you through the process of setting up a blog with HubSpot's intuitive platform. First, let's get started by navigating to your HubSpot dashboard. Once you're logged in and on your main dashboard, look to the top navigation bar. You're going to want to click on Content. This is your hub for handling all things related to what you produce and offer to your audience, whether it be written, visual, or otherwise. By selecting Content, you're opening up a menu of options that focus on managing your various digital outputs. Next, a drop-down list will appear, and you'll need to click on Blog. This will take you to the section where you can manage your existing blog posts and create new ones. This area is crucial as it houses all of your content, and it's where you can perform edits, updates, and track performance. Now that you're in the blog section, the next step is to click on Create. You'll find this button typically towards the right side of the page. By clicking this, you signal to HubSpot that you want to start a new piece. It's a blank canvas waiting for your creativity and insight. Upon clicking the Create button, a new option should emerge: Create Blog Post. This is what you'll select to actually begin drafting your new article. HubSpot offers a user-friendly interface where you can start writing your content directly into their rich text editor. Here's a quick tip. While drafting, make use of HubSpot's built-in tools like spell checker and SEO recommendations to optimize your post as you're crafting it. These tools can provide guidance and ensure your content meets the best practices for search engines and readability. Once your blog post is ready, you also have the functionality to preview it before hitting publish. This feature can be quite helpful to see how your post will appear to your audience, giving you a chance to spot any last-minute adjustments that are needed. And there you have it. You're now ready to start sharing your unique insights and stories with the world, directly from the powerful HubSpot platform. As you become more familiar with these steps, creating rich, engaging content becomes second nature. Thank you for tuning in, and happy blogging!